Alright, this is the elevator at Union Station in Washington, D.C. Lovely. See, another not very great Schindler. Seems to be quite full of them. This floor layout makes absolutely no sense. Interesting. Quite basic Schindler elevator and not really good shape. I'd like to know what that hole is there on the floor. Typical Schindler manual resistant buttons with an RT fire service. Man, this one's just... At least it doesn't stink, I guess. Let's see if I can make it ding. Oh, look at the interlock. 2005. And that'll be it.